We've got over 38,000 investors and we need more stock, which means that I need more people like you to go out and find me some stock so that we can sell it to my guys, and it's a win-win all round. You win, you make some fees. I win, I make some fees. The investor wins, they've bought a great deal that they found with your help. Hi guys, it's Arsh here, and in today's video we're going to be talking about my new challenge called the 7-Day Property Challenge and how you can get involved, and more importantly, how many deals can you do within 7 days. Before we go into that, I need a small favour from you. If you wouldn't mind hitting the subscribe button and the notification bell, every time I release a new video you get to get notified onto it. So let's get moving forward. What is the 7-Day Challenge, and more importantly, what is the training all about? So every year I start the year off with my flagship training program called the Elite Property Tribe. Now, the Elite Property Tribe is a 52-week training program which teaches you how to become a more rounded property investor. So it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's not showing you how to make £1 million in 3 days or anything like that. I'm very clear in the fact that property is a long-term thing. There are going to be some struggles, but more importantly, if you understand all the strategies, every time you go out and look for a property, you should be able to come up with a solution. You should be able to come up with a strategy that suits. So whether you're looking for below market value deal, whether you're looking for like a rent to rent, whether you're looking for a lease option, whether you're looking for commercial to residential, whether you're looking for service accommodation, whether you're looking for a flip, a BRR, you know, a buy to sell, a buy to let, whatever it may be, every time you look at a property, you should be able to apply a strategy to it. And more importantly, go there with the mindset, am I buying it for myself? If I'm not buying it for myself, how can I still make money off this lead? How can I still make money off this deal and monetize that lead by selling it on to another investor? If it doesn't sit with your criteria, maybe it fits with someone else's. So therefore, that is what the Elite Property Tribe teaches you. It's a 52-week program. Now, that seems like a long time. So in there's 52 modules, so you can watch them all in 1 week. Treat it like Netflix as you will. Or alternatively, you can watch them as slow and as fast as you want, and then go out and apply the newly found knowledge. Now, that's the program in general, and we cover a whole variety of topics. Now, what I'm going to be talking to you about is the 7-day challenge. Now, the reason why I put 7 days in there is because I want to see what you can do within a week if you were to spend a week with me. Now, we're not talking in a room, we're talking virtually. So I'm starting the 7-day challenge on Monday, the 7th of February 2022. And in that 7 days, we'll be having direct, constant contact. So on the Monday evening, we're going to be having a webinar between 7 p.m. and 9 p.m. On the Tuesday, the Wednesday, Thursday, chances are that we'll also have other webinars throughout the week. You'll have points of contact with me, so you can call me, you can say, Arsh, I found a deal, or I'm looking at this, am I on the right tracks? And more importantly, can we do something with this deal? Now, I've got to put out there from the outset, and I'm very clear on this, that you have to be a member of the Elite Property Tribe to do the 7-day challenge. Now, if you want to get more information on this, send me a quick message. So you go to my website, which is arshilahi.com/contact. And if my guys are any good at video editing, they'll put the link here. And what that will do is that it will send me a message, and I will personally call you, and we'll go through what the Elite Property Tribe looks like, what the 7-day challenge looks like. Now, in the 7-day challenge, my aim is to get you a deal. Now, when we're talking like a deal, I want to show you where to find the deals, how to appraise the deals, how to negotiate the deals, and then decide, are you going to keep it or are we going to sell it to one of my investors? And if we sell it to one of my investors, we do a split on the fee. And I'm very clear on that. We sell them to investors on my app called the Property Investor app. And if you've not downloaded the Property Investor app, now is the time to go and do it. And here's the link to that here. Or if you haven't already got the app, go to the App Store and search for Property Investor. We've got over 38,000 investors and we need more stock, which means that I need more people like you to go out and find me some stock so that we can sell it to my guys, and it's a win-win all round. You win, you make some fees. I win, I make some fees. The investor wins, they've bought a great deal that they found with your help. So that's the 7-day challenge. More importantly, have you ever watched a film called The Wolf of Wall Street? And then they're all in the room, they're all on the phones, they're all making calls, they're all doing deals, they're all high-fiving each other. Now, what I want to do, without the high fives, by the way, but I want to get you all in a room on Friday, the 11th of February at a location in Wolverhampton. Now, again, you can only do this if you're part of the 7-day property challenge, and you can only get involved in the 7-day property challenge if you're part of the Elite Property Tribe. And in order to get involved, first thing that you've got to do, you've got to send me a message by going to arshelahi.com/contact, telling me a little bit about who you are, what your background is. Are you completely new? Have you got other properties? Why are you looking to do this? Why are you looking to transform? Why are you looking to switch strategies? And I want to know that about you. Now, more importantly, the Friday the 11th of Feb is where I get you all in the room. This is where we get to either work collectively as a group, or where you go off and keep making calls. I can listen to your calls. I can see what you're doing, what's going well, what needs improvement. And there's me giving you on the day training. And my aim is that if we get 30 people in a room, the aim is to get a minimum of 30 deals out on that day. So that means that you need to turn up. And when I say turn up, I'm not talking physically. You need to definitely turn up. You need to make sure that you're on your A game, and you need to be in the mindset that that day you're going to make some money. So the 7-day challenge, let's just recap. Monday, the 7th of Feb, 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. we have a training webinar. We're looking at all different kinds of deals. What is a deal? What quantifies as a deal? Where do we find these deals? Tuesday, you're going to be during the day working independently, finding deals, or what you would consider a deal. Tuesday night, we do a deal clinic. Wednesday, we do the same. You find deals during the day. Wednesday night, we do a deal clinic. Thursday, we're going to start to have a look at different kinds of deals, different platforms to find different styles of properties. Friday is action day. Friday, you're with me. You're stuck in a room with me, and I'm going to push you out of your comfort zone to ensure that you're making those calls. More importantly, those calls are productive calls, and you're going to be able to close a deal on that day. Now, this is a completely different video to anything that I've ever done. You see it on YouTube, but I want you to all be involved. So you've still got time. Go to arshelahi.com/contact. Send me a message. Let me know whether you're in or you're out. But more importantly, this program is definitely for those that want to make a change in 2022. Whether you're working for someone, you're making someone else rich right now, or you want to make yourself and create yourself a better life, this is definitely for you. If you're looking to change strategy, this is for you. If you're looking to build a portfolio, or whether you've got the funds to build a portfolio, or whether you've got JV finance, or you want to actually just sell deals onto someone else, this is for you. If you're looking to increase your portfolio, again, this is for you. We're going to be looking at all different types of strategies. So looking for BMV deals, looking for rent-to-rent deals, looking for lease option deals, looking for service accommodation deals, looking for land deals, looking for commercial. You know, we're going to look at it from a whole spectrum. Now, can you do this? Yes, you can. So if you haven't already done so, go watch some of the other videos which other people within the Elite Property Tribe has really excelled. So we'll see the likes of Webb, we'll see the likes of Adam, we'll see the likes of Tony, we'll see the likes of Kevin. And these are guys that I released videos for over the last few weeks. Go and check them out on the channel. So hopefully that inspires you. Hopefully that inspires you to take action. Send me a message, arshelahi.com/contact. So you go to my website, arshelahi.com/contact, and you send me a message saying, Arsh, I'd like to get involved, or I'm not so sure, and I'll give you a call back and we'll have a chat. Now, just bear in mind that this isn't a chat just to check what the weather's like. This chat is all about the Elite Property Tribe and what this can do for you. So hopefully you've enjoyed this mini, almost like short burst of information. Now, if you like more free content, there's ways that you can also listen to more content like this. So first of all, we've got a podcast that I release every Tuesday at 6 a.m. It's called The Property Rebel. Go and check it out. It's 15 minutes of pure content, so there's no sales in there whatsoever. As well as that, as you know, I release new videos on my YouTube channel every Thursday at 4 p.m. If you haven't already subscribed, now is your time to do that. Every time you subscribe, it helps me and it pushes me up the YouTube ranking. As well as that, if you haven't already connected with me on social media, you can find me on Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, Twitter, and Clubhouse, just to name a few. And if you, again, want to get in contact, send me a message. I try and respond to as many messages as I can. It's quite overwhelming sometimes, but I try and get through as many as I can. Finally, remember what I said. The deals that you find, we can sell to my network through the Property Investor app. And if you haven't already done so, go and check out the Property Investor app. So we can either go to my website, which is propertyinvestorapp.co.uk, or if you've got a smartphone, go to the App Store, type in Property Investor and download it. It takes 2 minutes to download and register, and you're going to see all the deals in the palm of your hand. We've got over 38,000 investors, so there's no reason for you not to be able to find the deal and sell them to my investors. And with some real win-win all round, you make money for literally controlling a property. And this is what I want to teach you in the 7-day challenge, but also part of the wider training of the Elite Property Tribe. On that note, guys, I really hope you've enjoyed the session, and I look forward to speaking to you all soon. Thank you, and bye-bye.